What's up, Cardano holders? So what's going on in a market cap? This time today market cap is gone very good because this is good news for everyone. This time, if you can see here, the market is totally and increasing, very fastly growing, starting every cryptocurrencies. But today we talk about Cardano to what's going on in Cardano. So one of my favorite cryptocurrency, Cardano, this time is going badly down. You can see here the Cardano result as totally a negative. I can't believe this, my brother. Cardano is going totally down. Why all cryptocurrency is going up like a rocket? The market is very going up today. Today the market cap is very good result, but I don't know why the Cardano is going down in this time. So let's see the why they going down and what we do in this critical situation. This is live price prediction of Cardano. But before, my brother, I request you to, before I get start this video, I request you to please subscribe ABS Tech channel, because this is very important to you. Subscribe my channel. This is good for you, guys. If you can see here in the last 7 days result, first of all I'm going to show you the 3 charts, and then we decide to this is selling or buying time, okay, and holding time. So if you can see here in the last 7 days chart, the last 7 day 1.3 US dollar as the latest price, and the chart is totally and positive. You can see here the chart occur 9.16% going up. So this is very good because this is positive chart. You can see here they totally go straight. Sometimes they take a very high jump, but in the chart result totally you can see here they're gone like a rocket. You can see here the chart result has gone increasing. You can see here and last previous 7 days, and every cryptocurrency has been lost in last 7 days. But I don't know how is it possible to Cardano increasing. How is it possible? I can't believe this standard. Cardano is one of the fastest cryptocurrency, everybody knows, but and those days every cryptocurrency is around. So therefore I am very excited for this result. If you check out the last 24-hour result as absolutely very important. So therefore if you can see here the chart has gone good this time. Also the chart has gone good up 6.37% plus change occur this time. You can see here they take a very high jump and take again small jump and take again high jump, gone like a rocket in last 24 hours. But let's see to what's going on in the last 1 hour, because in the last 1 hour the market cap is also increasing, but I don't know why. Oh my goodness, Cardano also changed our result. You can see here 1% just and increasing. Cardano is not bad, guys. Cardano is not bad. Please vote for Cardano. Cardano is very fastest cryptocurrency. If you have any plan to buy more, then I think this is good time to you buy it. Tomorrow when I see this time the price, tomorrow when I see the price as 1.24 US dollar, but today the price changed into 1.29 US dollar. I hope if they go like this, then I hope the price change into 2 US dollar just in a few days. What you say? If the price is changed into 2 US dollar, then they make you millionaire. Especially they make me millionaire, because I have 2,000 Cardano coins, and especially the giveaway is coming soon. I do 100,000 coins giveaway, okay. So 100 sorry, just 100, not 100,000, sorry, just 100 coins giveaway of Cardano. But please subscribe my YouTube channel, complete my 10,000 subscribe. I hope you do it easily. So please subscribe if you are new on our channel, and I also updating you good news or bad news of all cryptocurrencies. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.